Thank you so much for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. In today's video, we'll have a look at something very exciting. NOIR Edition PHEV. This is something from the factory, very special. Mitsubishi made this limited edition. It's only allocated to 1,000 units in Canada, so very special car. There are some special elements in outside, as we can see it. We're gonna go through all of them in this video, and also inside. So we'll check out the inside as well. But this one is fully loaded. It's based on GTP trim level, just made nicer as a black edition, as NOIR. Only 1,000 units, like I mentioned before, and we'll have a look. So this here, you can have it in three ways: completely black, graphite gray, or graphite gray with black roof. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, as I'll be covering all those other color options as they arrive. This one just arrived and I want to show the video right away. Super excited, let's get going. And let's check it out closer now. NOIR Edition PHEV, fully loaded, fully blacked out, inside, outside. Looks like $1 million. In this channel, I've done a lot of different black editions. Also, this one right here, it was on gas, quartz brown vehicle. Looks very cool. I'm glad that something like this we can get from the factory now. Very limited, so get your hands on one if you can. Now we'll have a look at exactly everything what it has. We can see that, you know, the regular Outlanders, you can check out this one here. The lower parts, the chrome and everything else, has a lot of things going for it in terms of chrome wise. This one here is just blacked out, and the front dynamic shield is painted black in the factory already. So this one here that we did at Tri-City Mitsubishi, we vinyl wrap, we plastered it, paint the wheels, but this one is all factory done. You don't need to do nothing to it. So it has Outlander hood emblem as well. That looks very cool. We have these wheels that are painted obviously black, and these lug nuts are kind of like, you know, they have this black edition looks as well. So they're not just the regular shiny lug nuts like they have on the regular Outlander. So they do have this you know, dark tone to it. Looks very cool as well. So these lower skid plates are also painted, and they're glossy like this. Looks very good. Roof rails, we have also painted black, because on the regular Outlanders they're chrome, but on this one here they are gloss black. And again, this is all done in factory. And these mirror caps are black obviously, but on the graphite gray there should be black as well. So we'll check when the graphite grays land how exactly they'll look. These chrome lines around the windows we have you know, are blacked out as well. And we can see that on those blackouts that I do here at Tri-City, everything is completely back like this. But on this one here, it has a little bit like a black and gray shade, so it's a little bit different looks, but it looks very cool. I really like how this factory looks is coming together. And of course they added these NOIR badges, which makes it look even better. Very good looking vehicle. Leave a comment what you think of this looks, because I do like it a lot. And then especially knowing the fact that it's very limited to 1,000 units here in Canada, that makes it even more so special. And when we look at from the rear point of view, we can see same thing. This one is blacked out as well, and we have the badges are not. So same thing on this one. I didn't do any badges, anything else. So we have that part of as a chrome, and of course the PHEV badge we have is chrome as well. So here again we can see the NOIR badging right here, and we can see this you know, chrome line that is not chrome and is not real black, but it has this gray sort of like shade to it. Looks very cool. I like a lot how this turned out, and the fact that factory is offering something like this looks very good. So now that we've done with exterior looks, we're gonna check the interior, see what's special inside. And let's check out the interior, how it looks. It's always a pleasure to open the door and see the fully loaded Outlander. And this one here is based on PHEV GTP, so we have the same styling, but to people following PHEVs, GTPs, they know that GTP has these orange stitching and orange elements. in it. This one is fully black, but we have the same design pattern on the door panels right here, and also on the seats. We can see that everything is this black and silver, so we have the silver stitching. Looks very, very cool. And we have the same looks on the seat as the GTP would in terms of how it's finished and the pattern. So this one has massage seats, which again, GTP will have the massage seats as well on PHEV, so we're very, very happy about that. Of course, it has all the other stuff like panoramic sunroof and all the you know, head-up display and all those kind of functions as well. So because it's a GTP, we have, you know, same thing, just interior. Instead of having these orange elements, it's black, and this is where it really, really stands out. Nice looks. Of course, like the, you know, the headliner is black, and we have the panoramic sunroof, and it just looks really, really cool. One more cool thing this one has, it has this laser etched shifter panel right here, so that looks very nice as well. So it has this you know, laser etched, almost carbon fiber kind of vibes giving you a thing, but it looks very, very cool and adds to this whole PHEV Noir edition theme. Door panel, of course, we have black, and same thing, we have these nice stitches right here, and that's how it looks. Again, let's have a quick peek from outside. I think it looks really, really cool. It's you know, for me at least, most exciting product that Mitsubishi has brought to life from factory. Looks real cool, and it's in the line for, you know, what we've been doing here at Tri-Cities Mitsubishi in the past as well, blacking out all the cars, painting wheels and making them stand out. So if you want to get your hands on one, you can definitely do so here at Tri-City Mitsubishi. This one here is available for sale at the time of doing this video. Not sure how long it's gonna last though. Don't wait. If you're local here to us, stop by, take it out for a drive, see what you like about it. Okay, thank you so much for checking out this video, and see you next time.